Now, it may not be the height of summer, but that's not going to stop me barbecuing. And today I'm going to do a lovely Sunday roast. So I've got a rolled loin of pork here. It's got a really thick, juicy layer of fat, which will help keep the joint moist when it's on the rotisserie spit. And it is also going to make some excellent crackling. So I've sliced my joint of pork nearly all the way through and fanned it open. It's a bit strange, but like garlic bread, so each slice is separate, giving it a good season with salt and pepper. And then into the gaps I've popped slices of orange, some bay leaves and some slices of garlic, and then pushed it back together. And I've popped a few skewers right through the meat, all round the edge to make sure the joint stays nice and tight together. And now we're ready to roast. So I'm going to slide the rotisserie spike right through the centre of the meat and then secure it in place either end with the forks, and then it slots into place on the barbecue like this. So we light the rotisserie burner and then set the motor so it starts turning. I'm going to slide out the grill bars and in their place put a nice big roasting tin to catch all those lovely juices as it cooks. So I've cut a load of potatoes into nice big wedges and I've sliced some red onions through the root into quarters. So they all go in there. And then I'm going to add a really good glug of olive oil so they roast to perfection, nice and generous. A few sprigs of rosemary, a little bit of sea salt, and finally a good grind of pepper. So this barbecue has 4 burners. What I'm going to do is light the ones at either end and then shut the lid, and that will create a lovely warm kind of oven environment for the potatoes to start softening. Every now and then I'm going to give my potatoes a good stir to make sure they're cooking evenly. They're looking fantastic now. Once they look like they're nearly done, you can just lower the heat a little on those side burners so they don't overcook while the pork is finishing. So it's been a couple of hours now and the pork should be nearly done, so I'm just going to check. It smells amazing, but to be on the safe side I'm going to use a meat probe. And I'm looking for a temperature of about 75 degrees Celsius. Perfect, we're ready to serve. So I'm just going to carefully slide the joint out onto a plate and ease the spike all the way out. So there we have it, roast barbecue pork with orange, bay and garlic.